Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and here it doesn't matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. Just find this three dot icon which should be in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on calling accounts and pick the card you've got currently inserted. Now let's tap on additional settings, and as you can see I've got some SIM card problems, some SIM card error, but no worries, I will still be able to show you how to change the caller ID, which is on the very first position as you can see. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the new network default set, but we can also hide the number or show the number. So let's first of all pick hide the number. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see right under the caller ID we've got the information what kind of mode we just chosen. So remember we just picked to hide the caller ID, and it means that the number will be hidden in outgoing calls. Let's check the show number, and as you can see the info changed. The number from now on will be displayed in outgoing calls. So actually this is it. This is how to change, how to show or hide the caller ID in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.